Many MSMEs achieve ISO certification successfully, but the system collapses when the consultant leaves. If ISO survives only with external support, then it was never truly implemented. Let's understand how MSMEs can sustain ISO independently. Hi, I'm Sagar Naik, founder of Swades QMS and quality management consultant. In this video, we will understand how MSMEs can maintain and sustain ISO systems without depending continuously on consultants. ISO should become your internal strength, not external support. Let's understand this step by step. The common MSME story. This situation is very common. Consultant comes, documentation prepared, training conducted, audit completed, certification achieved. Everything works smoothly. But after few months, records stop updating. Internal audits get delayed. Management reviews become formalities. Systems slowly weakens. And company calls consultant again before next audit. Cycle repeats every year. This creates dependency. Why dependency happens? Dependency does not happen because MSMEs lack capability. It happens because ISO knowledge stays outside the organization. Consultant builds system. Employees follow temporarily, but ownership never transfers internally. ISO becomes consultant driven instead of organization driven. So what ISO actually expects? ISO never intended permanent consultancy dependence. ISO expects organizations to manage their own processes. Consultants should guide initially, but system must run internally. ISO is a management system, not consulting service. Biggest misunderstanding about ISO. Many MSMEs think ISO means documentation maintenance. So, whenever documents need updating, they call consultant. But ISO sustainability is not document maintenance. It is process management. When processes are controlled daily, documentation updates naturally. So, foundation 1, internal ownership. First requirement is ownership. Every process must have internal owner, production owner, purchase owner, quality owner, HR owner. When responsibility is internal, system continues automatically. Without ownership, ISO becomes external activity. Foundation 2, simple documentation. Many MSMEs struggle because documentation is too complex. Complex systems require experts to maintain. Simple systems can be managed internally. Documents should be short, clear, practical, easy to update. Usability ensures sustainability. Foundation 3, daily management system. ISO survives through daily discipline, not annual audits. Daily management meetings ensure performance review daily. Issues discussed early. Actions followed regularly. DMS keeps systems alive without consultant presence. Foundation 4, train internal champion. Every MSME should develop internal ISO champions, not only quality manager. Supervisors must understand basic systems. Process owners must know their responsibilities. Knowledge distribution reduces dependency. When only one person knows ISO, risk increases. Foundation 5, practical internal audits. Internal audit should not depend entirely on consultants. Train internal auditors. Start small. Audit processes practically. Focus on improvement, not fault finding. Internal audits become learning activity. This builds internal capability. Foundation 6, management review as business tool. Management review should be leadership discussion, not consultant presentation. Leaders should review performance trends, risks, customer feedback, resource needs. When leadership drives review, consultant dependence reduces naturally. Foundation 7, link ISO with daily work. ISO should not feel like extra work. It should match existing operations, production meetings, quality reviews, maintenance planning. All should connect with ISO requirements. When ISO becomes daily habit, sustainability increases. One MSME depended on consultant for 5 years. Every audit preparation required external support. Later, they simplified documentation, started daily management meetings, trained two internal auditors, assigned process owners. Next surveillance audit completed without consultant involvement. Confidence increased, cost reduced, system became stable. Role of consultant, correct expectation. Consultant should act like a teacher, not permanent operator. Role should be guide, train, coach, enable independence. If consultant runs system continuously, learning stops. Goal of consultancy should be self-sufficiency. Common mistakes MSME should avoid: copy-paste documentation, over-complicated procedures, centralized knowledge, audit only preparation, ignoring daily monitoring. These create dependency cycle. So, practical step-by-step approach. Step 1, identify process owners. Step 2, simplify documents. Step 3, start daily review meetings. Step 4, train internal auditors. Step 5, conduct quality management reviews internally. Step 6, use consultant only for periodic guidance. Gradual transition builds confidence. So, what are the benefits of independent ISO system? Reduced consulting cost, faster decision making, higher employee ownership, better audit confidence, continuous improvement culture. ISO becomes business advantage. So, what mindset shift required? Move from consultant will manage ISO to we manage our system. ISO belongs to organization, not external expert. When mindset changes, sustainability begins. So, signs your ISO is becoming self-sustaining. Employees update records naturally. Internal audits happen on time. Management reviews create actions. Audits feel normal. Consultant becomes advisor, not operator. These are maturity indicators. MSMEs can sustain ISO without dependency by creating ownership, simplifying documentation, running daily management, training internal champions, conducting internal audits, engaging leadership actively. ISO sustainability comes from internal capability. ISO certification is only the starting point. Real success is sustaining system independently. A strong organization does not depend on external control. It builds internal discipline. Consultants may start the journey, but organization must drive it forward. If you found this video useful, like this video and subscribe to Swades QMS. We will continue learning practical quality management in a simple way for MSMEs. If you need support in building self-sustaining ISO systems, you can contact Swades QMS. Details are in the description. Thank you for watching.